Stephen Engineering, located in the heart of Portland, Oregon, and proud to be called the largest distributor of industrial controls and components in the Western region. We specialize in providing quality products and services to OEMs, integrators, panel builders, and end users, providing the finest electrical and electronic components for industrial control and automation applications. With over 2 million available part numbers and a vast inventory in our 26,000 square foot warehouse, we have solutions for your business. We carry all the major manufacturers and brands you've come to trust, such as Rittal, Turck, Phoenix Contact, and SMC Pneumatics. And we're anchored with SCHNEIDER Electric and the Square D brand of industrial automation and control products. For example, we carry a broad range of drives, from soft starts, machine drives, and process drives, to a robust inventory of the IEC TSYS brand of contactors and starters, meeting UL 98 disconnect applications. We've recently added TSYS Island, a digital load management solution that makes machines smarter and more reliable. TSYS Island is designed to switch, protect, and manage motors and other electrical loads up to 40 horsepower and is Industry 4.0 compliant. We also carry a wide variety of control and signaling solutions designed around safety, from relays and tower lights, dependent control stations including the Harmony line, which contains a variety of products to meet your safety needs. Our staff is regarded as the most knowledgeable sales team in the business. As a component specialist for SCHNEIDER Electric, along with additional certifications and authorizations from other manufacturers, you know you can depend on Stephen Engineering's expertise to provide the right products and solutions for your business. So call us today to learn more about Stephen Engineering's Portland, Oregon location and experience our first-class service.